Welcome to today's webinar, friends. So today I am going to discuss how you can get chart of continuous futures contract on Zerodha Pi. So we will discuss on continuous futures contract chart on Zerodha Pi. Before I go deep into the webinar, I assume that every one of you are having Zerodha Pi installed in your PC. Those who are not having Zerodha Pi, they can get Zerodha Pi from this link. This link is bit.ly/zerodha-dmat, bit.ly/zerodha-dmat. So you can get Zerodha Pi just opening a Demat account with Zerodha. It is quite cheap, and Zerodha is India's leading discount stockbroker. So there is no harm in getting a Demat account from Zerodha and get the advanced trading terminal called Zerodha Pi. So I'll be starting. Do not worry that regarding the Pi download link, I'll be showing you in details. So right now you need not to do anything. I'll show you how to download, how to get the Pi in details in course of the video. So let's start. Once again, I take the opportunity of introducing myself. I am Indrajit Mukherjee. I have founded www.stockmaniacs.net. So you can visit my site at www.stockmaniacs.net. I'll show you. This is my site. So you can just visit Stockmaniacs, and you can this link you can visit, you can write in your browser, and you can come to my site. So there are many sections for the intraday as well as positional traders as well as investors. So we do write on different sections like IPOs, different trading strategies, intraday stock tips, as well as mutual funds, etc, etc. So you can come down to my site and you can get those insights. We do also have reviews on different stock brokers, so you can find out what is good in which broker. So now you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like. If you would like to get the instant updates in future, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just before leaving the video, hit the subscribe button and you will be getting the updates of my future videos instantly. Also, you can join my trading team by opening a trading and Demat account under me. To join my trading team, simply WhatsApp me your name, phone number and email ID and send it to +91 96743 21856. So now friends, let us start on how you can get the continuous futures contract, the chart of continuous futures contract on Zerodha Pi. So let us come down to Zerodha Pi and let us first discuss what is actually a continuous contract. Those who are there in the trading field for some time, they know what is continuous contract. So futures contract come with an expiry date attached to it. So it means the contract ceases to exist after that expiry date. So for example, if we consider Bank Nifty futures contract, the maximum period it is available for trading is 3 months. So we can get around 65 to 70 daily candles of data. But if any trader wants to get any views on the long-term trend, it is impossible with that. Thus we connect several future contracts together to create a long-term chart called as continuous future chart. I'll show you with an example later with the Zerodha Pi terminal. Hence, a continuous futures contract is not really a futures contract. Instead, it is several futures contracts that have been spliced together to create a long-term chart. There is often a data adjustment involved in this splicing to eliminate the gaps and create a smooth price series. The gaps stem from the time premium between the futures contracts. The Bank Nifty May future, suppose I am giving an example here, the Bank Nifty May futures contract on the NSE will expire on May 31st. So just day after tomorrow. At this time, the June contract will become the nearest month. Currently, May futures are the nearest month, but once the May futures expire, the next nearest month will be June contract. And the June contract will expire on June 28th, 1 month later. The next month will always have one more month time premium into this account. This means there will be a price gap between the expiring futures contract and the next futures contract. A continuous futures contract adjusts for these gaps and time differences to create an artificial price series. So this is what is actually a continuous contract. So this month our nearest future contract is May. Next month it will be June. Next to next month it will be July and so on. But in a continuous chart we will only have Nifty near month contract or Nifty 1 or Nifty F1, whatever each and every chart terminals they name it. Previously these kind of charts were not available to any Indian brokers. So I'll show you what is the difference between a continuous contract and a simple future contract. So this is Zerodha Pi terminal. You can just get Zerodha Pi from this link, bit.ly/Zerodha Demat. Just remember this link, copy this link to somewhere and put it into your browser. So bit.ly/Zerodha Demat. If you do not have a Zerodha Pi installed on your PC, just get Zerodha Pi. Just visit this link, bit.ly/Zerodha Demat. Click. So it will open the account opening page of Zerodha. You can put your full name, your mobile, your email and click on call me back or continue to sign up. So you can instantly open an account with your Aadhaar card. The account opening process is very cheap. You can open a equity account in only 300 rupees and you can open a equity and commodity both kind of accounts in only 500 rupees. So just paying this a paltry sum of 500 rupees you can get a powerful terminal like Zerodha Pi. So now I'll show you. Let us cross this. So this is Zerodha Pi terminal. Let us add the Bank Nifty futures contract. So let us go to future index and Bank Nifty 31 May. So add. So this is Bank Nifty's future contract. So now let us open the chart. So now go to the chart and let it be a daily chart. Let us select the maximum months. Maximum months is 120 months. That means the maximum chart possible in Zerodha Pi is of 12 months is 1 year, 120 months is 10 years. So 10 years chart is possible on Zerodha Pi. So now select this and click OK. So now friends, this is not a 10 years chart. This is only a few months chart. So this is a 3 months chart actually. So because Bank Nifty May future actually started for the last 3 months. In NSE, one symbol can have a future contract only for 3 months. So the May contract started at the month of end of the February series. So after the end of February series, the May has contract has been introduced, and so it has been there for the last 3 months. So we can get only 3 months data with the normal future contract chart. In any other broker terminal, you will get a chart like this. So you will not get a continuous future chart. So let us close this chart. Now I will show you what is a continuous contract chart. So now let us select continuous chart. So previously we selected this and now we will select continuous chart. Instead of normal chart, we will select continuous chart. Now you can see the difference between the Bank Nifty normal chart and the continuous chart. You can see this continuous chart is actually dating back to the history. You can see the Bank Nifty 1 month contract chart from the history, from the previous previous times. You can use it just like a normal NSE price chart. So you can use your own technical analysis and all, and you can use this futures chart. And why a continuous futures chart is important? Because the continuous futures chart have volume and everything. Normal index chart does not have the volume data and all. So you can use this continuous futures chart as in any way you like. So you can attach any kind of indicators, like suppose let us attach super trend. So let us attach the super trend indicator. So you can attach any kind of indicators. You can do whatever you like. So this is a continuous future chart. So this is the difference between a continuous chart and the normal chart, is the continuous chart has much more data. A continuous chart has much more data. So I'll show you the difference once again. Even you open a normal chart of a future for a long time period, then also the future chart, see, I cannot drag it. So the future chart is only available for last 3 months. Okay, but the continuous chart, it is available from as long as you want from the history. Even you can get back the charts from the time when it was first introduced in the system. So now let us try opening a stock future chart. So let us go to future stock. Suppose let us open this SEC future or whatever you want to open. Suppose we will open Axis Bank chart. So let us go to Axis Bank May future and click on add. So this is the Axis Bank. Let us open first the chart, normal chart. So this is the normal chart. We are having only 3 months of data. You cannot do any good analysis on this particular normal chart. You cannot do any kind of good analysis. But if you want to open a continuous chart, see, this is the continuous chart. You can do whatever analysis you want to do. So this is the power of continuous futures contract. So if you are interested to get this kind of continuous futures contract, once again remember this link, bit.ly/Zerodha Demat. You only need to open a trading and Demat account with Zerodha to get this powerful Zerodha Pi platform. Just copy this link and go to this link, bit.ly/Zerodha Demat, and you will go to the account opening page of Zerodha. You need to simply write your full name, your mobile number, your email ID, and you can open up your account with Aadhaar card. It is instant. If you open an account with Aadhaar card, instantly today you can start using the Pi platform from tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Or if you are not having that much of technical knowledge, you can also select call me back. Once you put your full name, mobile and email ID, you can simply click on call me back, and the Zerodha personnel will call you back and they will assist you in the account opening process. And once your account is opened, you can immediately get Zerodha Pi. You can download and you can use Zerodha Pi without any extra cost. So thanks a lot, friends. We have completed the webinar. Before I conclude, once again I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just before leaving this video, just hit the subscribe button and you will be getting my future videos updates almost instantly. You can also join my trading team by opening a trading and Demat account under me. I do provide some extra benefits to my clients, like some initial trainings. We do provide some technical calls from India's top analysts. So if you want to join my trading team, you can just WhatsApp me your name, phone number and email ID and send it to +91 96743 21856. I'll repeat the link, repeat the number once again. It is +91 96743 21856. So thanks a lot friends for watching this video. I wish you loads of luck and happy trading. Thanks a lot once again. Bye bye.